I think we here at Children strive to be both the very best at our clinical care, but also strive to be the very best at bringing knowledge to the forefront of the care of the patients that we take care of.
It's key that Children's develops a culture of research. We need to incorporate research intimately into everything we do. Every patient, every floor, every meeting.
The only way we make advances in medical care, the only way we get better, is by making those small observations over a long period of time. By piecing all those little pieces together, we often make great strides.
We have to introduce it into our clinics so that every patient gets used to doing research or being approached about participating in research. For every family, every child, there are different motivations for wanting to be part of research. They do make a huge commitment.
When Sarah was 16, she started having symptoms. We attributed it to everything probably but diabetes because we didn't know anything about it. So there were some trials to try to help determine how to slow it down as long as they could from where it was, or look, things to look for a cure. Sarah's trial was a 2-year commitment.
It was a huge time commitment. I want a cure for myself and I want a cure for others. I don't want anyone else to have to experience this.
Up until this point, there had only been adult studies, so this would be a controlled pediatric study. I watched him grow and say, I accept this pain because it will help someone else.
I wanted to impact the world and thought this is it.
When he withdrew from it and he was able to be fully off of it, it was, okay, I prayed for healing when he was an infant. It just took 14 years.
We come up every Thursday night. It takes us about 3 hours to get here. Addison has Duchenne muscular dystrophy.
Without the clinical trials, these drugs are not yet approved by FDA. And so essentially this is their only hope and chance of obtaining this kind of treatment.
Right now there's no cure, but at least there's hope. What do? Do we go fishing together?
Our #1 partnership is with all of our study participants. We do have important institutional partners too. Emory University clearly supports the faculty, CDC. We have wonderful biotechnical support from Georgia Tech. You have to have these partnerships with both manpower, finances, and with subjects. If you don't have those, you don't have a research institution. The endpoints of any trial are the keystone to having success. It's not a fast process, but you do get hard answers, yes or no, to a lot of questions. Sometimes you get a maybe, and you push on a little further. We are not looking for a certain amount of dollars, but we're looking for a certain outcome. We're looking to cure diseases and to find new ways of diagnosing conditions earlier. We're working on things that are the future.
I think research is important for Children's because it's how we're going to make our kids better.